She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. For today's recipe, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a simple yet delicious recipe for a hearty beef stew. Now, usually beef stew is something that you do go for in the winter time, but this one will be one that you should be able to eat any time of the year and it's still going to be just as good. So if the idea of this sounds good to you guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop me a comment down below. If you can, share this video out. I always appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so here we go. This is my version of a quick and easy hearty beef stew. You can go ahead and chop it full of all of your favorite vegetables. In this case, we've got a few that are definitely must-haves in your beef stew, like carrots and potatoes and onions. Go ahead, you could make this a vegetarian stew as well and take out the beef. It would still be good. The broth and the vegetables all come together very nicely. You can eat this any time of the year. I definitely recommend you do that. Don't just wait till winter to have a nice bowl of beef stew. So guys, I want to thank you for joining me today for this beef stew recipe. If you did enjoy the recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, go ahead and drop me a comment down below. Let me know how you like the recipe. Share this video out. I always appreciate the support. Thank you when you're able to share me out. And if you are not subscribed yet, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And also the bell next to it so that you're notified of every time I drop a brand new recipe. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.